Oh my goodness. Hey guys, this is my first unboxing video. We just got this today and we are going to check what's inside. So let me find my cutter. Alright, we're going to open the box. So my sister sent this to me. Alright, it's now or never. Excited sa taba kay tagsara ta makadawat og kanang package. Alright, let's see what's inside. May mga styro ha. Oh my goodness. Wow! Alright, that was just for the thumbnail. Before I show this to you guys, I'd like to show you the other half of my journey and what led to being here, being where we are right now. And watch this clip. So I'm trying to see what works best for my YouTube channel, and I'm trying to see what voice I should use, what personality should I show, if I should use English, Cebuano, or Tagalog. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel.
Hi, idol. Ayanventures. Salamat sa pagbisita. Ito si Ayan. Bigyan kita ng jacket. Adventures. I-flex kita. Taga Tobu. Pagaling ito na photographer.
Hello po sa'yo, Ayanventures.
Ayanventures, bigas natin dyan, Ayanventures, may ano ka na dyan, may jacket ka na.
Ayanventures, hello to you. Ayanventures, salamat sa iyong pagpabalik.
여기 태용이 이거. 아, 이게 저기 KMGMT 거기 갔을 때 적은가 보다, 이거. Ayanventures. Subscribe, please.
Head and stuff. It's ridiculous. Thanks, man. Nice to meet you, bro.
Akala niya mahulog siya. Yung mukha niya. Ito na po ang balitang gapangan sa Team Gapangan. My YouTube channel was born in August of 2019. The whole world came to a stop in 2020, and I was already jobless since February of that year. I came to check on my channel, which then had only one video, and thought, why don't I start vlogging since I had nothing else to do? I posted my second and third video. I was happy because I had so many videos from all my travels in the past 4 years. I started to make lots of friends. I joined many live streams and began to grow my channel. Every day I would spend 2 to 5 hours just watching videos, making friends, and studying the platform. Then, in September of 2020, I made the decision to take my channel seriously. Alright, are you guys ready? we have today. Alright, wow. Let's move that away. Panilain. Masigna pa di ay. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, Regina RJ and Mommy V. So YouTube, Ayanventures, congratulations for surpassing 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Check that out, guys.
1,000. 1,000.
1,000.
1,000.
1,000. 1,000.
1,000.
1,000. 1,000. 1,000. Happy 1,000 sub adventure.
Good morning, everyone. I just want to congratulate you to our best friend, Ayanventures. Congratulations to hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much.
And like what it said, guys, we have reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to Ayanventures. Thank you so much for following, for watching my videos, for being with me on this journey. And I hope to see more of you guys. Invite all of your friends to subscribe. Like, subscribe, click the bell icon for Ayanventures right now. I reached 1,000 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours by November, and 1 month later, I reached the 4,000 watch hours requirement.
Congratulations! I just want to congratulate my very active friend NYT, the vice admin of the Team Kapangan, Ayanventure. Ayan, Ayanventure, congratulations! Yeah! Congratulations for you are now a monetized channel. I'm so very happy na na-achieve mo na yung goals mo. Alam mo, pinaghirapan mo talaga yan. At saka, ayan, alam ko dahil sa kabutihan ng loob mo, marami ang nag-aangat sa'yo. So, isa na ako sa supporters mo and I'm very happy na nagtagumpay ka na. Sana, pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagka-friendly mo at saka pagka-yeah mo. Alam ko magiging masayahin ang mga taong nasa harapan mo kapag mag-LS ka. Kaya masaya ako na naging isa ka ng monetized channel. So, good luck sa next level sa mong journey sa YT, and I hope that you will be successful sa paggamit ng revenues at saka marami ka ring matutulungan. Katulad ni Sir Harry. So, I'm very proud both of you because you are very kind-hearted. Matulungin at saka yung iniisip yung iba kaysa sa sarili. Kaya I'm very proud both of you as our admin and Team Kapangan. And I wish all the best on your channel. More upload videos also and more subscribers to come. And that's it. So, good luck.
Magandang araw sa inyo mga kabagsik, mga kabay. Kumusta kayong lahat? Gusto ko lang magpapasalamat sa isang tao na tumulong sa akin, na walang sawang tumulong hanggang ngayon, sa isang napakabait na vlogger na si Ayanventures. Ito yung gusto kong talagang sabihin sa kanya. Bro, congratulations dahil isang monetized channel ka na ngayon. Sana marami ka pang matulungan ng tulad ko, mga nag-umpisa pa lamang. At mga kabagsik, suportahan din natin siya dahil siya ay napakatulungin na tao at di siya magsawang tumulong sa kapwa niya na mga vlogger at sa mga kababayan natin. Bro, congratulations na isang monetized channel ka na. Pagpatuloy mo lang yon yung kabaitan mo. Sana mag-grow up pa yung channel mo. At karapat dapat talaga na ma-achieve mo yung channel na yan dahil ikaw ay napakabait And God bless. Thank you. And congratulations.
Hi, Kuya Sir Ayan. Thank you so much for all the support and love. I know wala pa tayo nakita in person, but I really can feel your sincerity and your genuine heart by in supporting others, not only to me and especially dito sa akong channel. And despite of dili pa tayo nag-meet in person. Looking forward to see you in person, Kuya. Ha? Visit me in SM Sadboy with Harley Sam Coffee. My treat. Doing this kind of thing is not only about common, it's just embracing my passion because I love to be with people. I love sharing my thoughts with others. Like you, you're one of those who inspired me also. Thank you.
Kuya Ayanventures, why you didn't put my video when I do my mukbang and I shout out to you and Maggie's Cooking and Harry Clint? I don't know what were the other shout outs. So, put my video there in your next Balitang Gapangan ni Ayanventures, okay?
Hi, Ayanventures, and congratulations for being a monetized channel. You deserve it dahil sa lahat ng paghihirap mo, all the sleepless nights, all the live streams. Kaya congratulations sa'yo at sana ay maging successful pa ang iyong YT journey. More power to your channel and stay awesome!
Congratulations, Tito Ayan. God bless. I love you. Hi, Clutty Boy here. Congratulations to Ayanventures for being a monetized channel.
And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you again next week and stay awesome! Yeah, yeah, yeah!
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. Yay!